Meaning of hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. A hot dog is a type of food that consists of a sausage, typically made of beef or pork, that is served in a sliced bun. The sausage is usually grilled or boiled, and it can be topped with various condiments like ketchup, mustard, relish, onions, and cheese. The origin of the term hot dog is uncertain, but it is believed to have been coined in the early 20th century. Today, hot dogs are a popular street food in many countries and are often enjoyed at sporting events, picnics, and barbecues.